FLA launches investigation into former correctional officer Clarke-Gowans' firearm reports.
Teach them! Always make sure the message will reach them!
CEO of the Firearm Licensing Authority, Shane Dalling, says they have launched an investigation to find out if the entity had received any reports from the police regarding Clarke-Gowans. Mr. Gowans, a correctional officer assigned to the Horizon Remand Center, shot his 42-year-old wife dead on Wednesday morning, April 10, and then turned the gun on himself. It is understood that the police had confiscated, then returned the licensed firearm of Mr. Gowans. Mr. Dalling says, under a new protocol, the police are expected to submit all reports regarding licensed firearm holders to the authority, which would trigger their investigations. Dalling also stated that he is uncertain whether or not the police had communicated with the FLA about the incidents involving Mr. Gowans.
You have to remember that the coordinated approach is that once the report is given to the police would send a communication to us and we would carry out further investigations. I am saying at this point that we are working to find out what happened in this particular situation.
The incident regarding Mr. Gowans is the fourth domestic matter involving a licensed firearm holder this year.
The policy has been working clearly because we have categorized at least 3 similar situations since the start of the year, right? Based on the police report to us. So, but for the communication and the coordination between us and the police, there may have been more incidents than this. Of course, this is the third one since the start of the year.
When you say 3 similar incidents, what exactly are you referring to? Similar in what way?
Domestic issues.
The FLA boss says when those issues were reported, the firearm of the holder was revoked.
In terms of license holders participating in domestic abuse with the use of the firearm. And we have categorized those situations based on the intervention of the police and the reporting of the issue to us, and that has caused the firearms to be revoked.
The concerned FLA CEO says they are now also investigating other matters.
We are sufficiently concerned in Patria because, as I stated before, the incidents of murder-suicide, this is the third one since the start of the year. And we have received several others and we are investigating same. So we are sufficiently concerned and we are taking serious action as it relates to these incidents.
Meanwhile, since the incident, Mr. Dalling says they have started discussions with the police to improve how quickly the authority receives reports.
We have actually started the dialogue from the incident occurred. The police and us have already had discussions on the way forward in terms of strengthening the relationship further, in terms of a quicker response and turnaround time as it relates to these reports. So we have started. From the incident happened, we have been speaking.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.